You're gonna love the little M, a free feature of all Magnify accounts. The Magnify M link is a unique embed coding URL exclusive to your account that allows you to capture video testimonials anytime, anywhere. Say you want to run a large video testimonial campaign for your email list with an incentivizing program. All you need to do is take your unique embed code and place that code on your landing page anywhere you want. Then all that person has to do is click the button on your landing page. They enter their first name, last name, and email, then they record their video testimonial in under 50 seconds, and that's it. Magnify takes care of the rest. Or log into your Magnify account via mobile device and bookmark your M-Link URL on your device's home screen. Then all you need to do is hand them your phone or tablet to record their video testimonial. You'll now have the ability to ask a happy client or customer right away for a video testimonial and capture it right then and there at the peak of happiness. You'll see all your video testimonials on your dashboard ready to view in your link submission area. Scan through all the videos that came in and simply delete the videos you don't want. Then to have Magnify produce the videos you do want, after you tell Magnify what you want in the call to action screen or no call to action screen, simply click accept and produce. Magnify goes to work, giving you a produced video testimonial with your company's logo and call to action ready to share literally within minutes. Whether you work in a regulated industry and need approval before releasing a video testimonial, or you want to drip out your video testimonials over time, Magnify gives you the power to control how you want your video testimonials to go into the marketplace. Are you ready to put the M-Link to work for you? Sign up for your Magnify account today.